welcome to the back corner desk in the Racing Dean office where visitors heard the familiar, as Tom reared back in his chair with arm outstretched, head cocked, with that mischievous grin, and began to pontificate on the topic of the day. And whereas his comments meandered here and there with appropriate facial expressions and witty observations that left all engaged in usually running late for their next appointment. And whereas every person left with a new insight and felt comforted to know that Tom was on the case and things would get better. And whereas Tom's allegiance to all that was green and gold was evident in his passion for Clifton Forge, but also extended to the entire Allegheny Highlands, as shown by his service to the schools, arts, service clubs, professional organizations, and most of all, economic development. Whereas he led without being seen and gave without fanfare, always moving forward to enhance our area. Whereas he never sought credit for any of his many accomplishments, but was quick to praise others and worked unselfishly with any who sought to improve our community. Now therefore be it resolved by the Cliff Town Council that it hereby honors the life of Thomas Paul, Tom Dean, and mourns the loss of an advocate, friend, and outstanding citizen. Thank you, Mayor.